This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the damaged paint and protecting the flight and barrel where possible. Wear gloves and eye protection because solvents can irritate. Use isopropyl 70-99% on a cotton cloth and dab a small test spot to check the original finish. This tells you whether to proceed gently or stop. Once the test shows no damage, apply solvent sparingly and let it sit for a few seconds so the paint softens. Make sure to have a plastic scraper ready to lift softened paint without gouging the metal. You now remove softened paint by scraping gently with a plastic scraper at a low angle. This reduces scratching while lifting layers. If paint resists, reapply solvent and wait 5-10 seconds. Patience dissolves adhesion more reliably than force. For grooves or textured barrels, use a cotton swab dipped in solvent to access narrow areas. Once flakes come away, wipe frequently to see progress and prevent redepositing dissolved paint. Make sure to keep the dart oriented so solvent runs off the protected areas and not. You finish by wiping all solvent and softened residue with a fresh cloth and a mild soap rinse, then dry thoroughly to prevent corrosion. If the metal looks dull, apply a small amount of light metal polish with a soft cloth to restore shine. Work in circular motions and buff until even. Once done, reassemble and inspect for balance changes. If paint removal damages the original finish or the barrel dulls, stop. Try a milder solvent or consult a professional refinisher to avoid irreversible harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.